Alright, what's going on? Last night I tried to do this. I couldn't get it to work. I tried. But I woke up this morning and it's working. So let's jump into it. I got this mystery sample, right? And we're gonna flip it. So as this is going on, you try to guess what it is. Don't skip to the end of this. Alright, so we're gonna come in here and we're just gonna cut out the parts we don't need. Alright. Let's find a tempo for it. Alright, let's put on a track. Find it. Something like that. Sampler we're gonna pull over here. All right, this guy right here. And we're gonna come to this last one. Let's see if we could do something with that and truncate it. Alright. And we're gonna come over here. Alright, so that's over here. Let's put freak on there. Alright, so let me jump in here. I'm going to show you where the sample came from. To get some eggs. And it's really quiet. Look at the dog. Hello.
Hello.
Hey. Hey. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Look like I'm doing a stanky leg.